Hi everyone, welcome to Shake It Off Lamourify. Today I'm going to share with you bitter melon, eggs, tomatoes, and crab sticks. So these are the ingredients: bitter melon, eggs, tomatoes, and crab sticks. These are the condiments. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the saucepan. Warm up the stove. So we warm up for 2-3 minutes to let the oil cook. And we will take the ingredients. My cooking has no added salt, no fresh garlic because one of my family members don't eat it. Add in chopped ginger into the pan and stir fry them. Chop them thinly so that it's not too hot. So make sure you stir fry them well. It's very fragrant. Stir fry them for 2-3 minutes. You can see that make it evenly so that it will be cooked evenly. And you can see that the color has changed. So add in sliced tomatoes, stir fry them. It's 2 tomatoes, medium size. So cut the tomatoes thinly. You can see that it's very nice, and make sure you stir fry the ginger and the tomatoes well. Stir fry them for 2-3 minutes. You can see that the tomatoes are getting softer, and you can see that there's juice coming out from the tomatoes. You can see there's smoke coming out. It's very fragrant. Stir fry them evenly. And we will take the next ingredient. Add in bitter melon. 288 grams of bitter melon. Stir fry them. Mix them well. You can see that the bitter melon is raw right now. So stir fry them, mix them well, and it will change color later on. And stir fry them for 3-4 minutes. You can see that the color slowly change. You'll be wondering why my cookings have no salt, added salt inside my cookings, because I don't use added salt. And this is the brown rice that goes with the dish. So stir fry them, and these servings are for 2 packs, means 2 persons. If you like more than more people to eat, you need to add in more ingredients. And this is the crab sticks. Add in 4 slices of crab sticks. These are optional. You can add in other ingredients like carrots, Yes, and it depends on what you like to put it inside. You can add in more color, more flavor. You can add in capsicums, red capsicums, which is nice. And add in 1 slice of chili. Stir fry them together. Mix them well. You can color there's many colors in this pan, and you can see that the smoke is coming out. It's not over stir fry because the weather is cold, okay? And add in 2 omega-3 eggs, beaten them. You can see that the color is so beautiful. Okay, and stir fry them, mix them together, mix them well. You can see that it's so nice. So let it stir fry for about 2-3 minutes. You can see that checking on the brown rice. And stir fry them. You can see it's very fragrant and it's colorful. It's very nutritious and it's delicious. Stir fry them well, mix them well. Make sure the eggs is cooked. You can see that I'm zooming in to let you see the colorful dish. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic granules. This is optional. The amount is up to you. You can use fresh garlic too. Stir fry them, mix them well. Add in 3/4 teaspoon of light soya sauce. As I mentioned, there's no added salt in my cooking. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of Thai fish sauce. Okay, Thai fish sauce itself is very delicious. And add in 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper sauce. This black pepper is very spicy and it's thick. So you don't need to add in a lot because it's very spicy. As you can see that. Okay, it's very thick. It's quite difficult to come out of the bottle because I didn't defrost it. Okay, and stir fry them together, mix them well for 2 minutes. And you can see that it's very, very fragrant and it's very, very nice. So make sure that you stir fry them well. And you can see that it's very fragrant, delicious. It's packed with nutrition in this pan itself. And you can add in optional, like, sweet corns, carrots, capsicums. It's up to you what you would like to add in, as these are optional dish. Vegetables, then make it simmer for 5 minutes, ready to serve. So it's very nice, isn't it? Yes, I zoom in to let you see, that it's very delicious, and it's cooked so yummy, and it's simple to cook. So you can have this dish for dinner or for lunch. You can see that it's so yummy, and delicious. So I have put in here, serve with the brown rice by the side. Enjoy the meal. And you can see that it's delicious. You can see that it's colorful. And this is the previous that I have put in last week. A preview, bitter melon, eggs, tomatoes, and crab sticks.